Just a warning to you, our GPS took us down some gravel roads. You don't have to go down any gravel roads to get here. So if it tells you to go to a gravel road, go to the next road, next paved road you can find. If you're pulling a trailer like me, I went down a gravel road and following the GPS, and I had to back around and had a hell of a time getting turned around because it ended up a dead end. So just as soon as I get around this curve, you'll see the gate. This is right at the gatehouse here. I've never seen anybody manning the gatehouse. You can see that different prices, 12, 6, and 4. There are no full hookups. In other words, there's no sewer hookups. But I'll pan around here. And right over there by those bushes, there's like right in there, there's a loop, and they have a freshwater and a dump station and all that stuff. I mean, for $8 you can fill up with water, dump your sewage, launch a boat, whatever you want. You don't even have to stay overnight if you don't want to. But way over there is the dump station. I'll take you over there and let you see it. That's the dump station. And right here it says to take an envelope. Even though it says full, Campground always says full. So to go in and look around. It's all loops, so as long as you follow the signs, you won't get stuck anywhere. Please take envelopes. Envelopes are kind of hidden under there. You fill it out, bring it back, drop it in. Pretty simple. You can see we're here. Or 7618 NFR 268. I don't know if you can put that in your GPS or not. I'll try it. See what it does. So real close here is this one called Hog Pen. And there's another one that they were talking about. I don't see it here. They called it the Cobb. I don't know. So there's 3 different campgrounds here. This is the only one that has any kind of facilities like electricity and water. So, Ocean Pond. Hog Pen's about a mile away. And there's a lake over there. Ocean Pond, they call it. As you can see, we got a southwest wind, and it gets a little rough out there, so keep that in mind. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this. I can always voice over it if I have to, but even make a little waves clear in here. Say they catch largemouth bass, crappies, bluegills out of there. Probably other things. Oh, catfish too. Got a little beach here. It's amazing. Let's go over and see what that sign says. Here's something I haven't seen yet. They have credit card readers on their washing machines and dryers. This is cool. Remember, this is a national forest. I'm camping here for $6 a day with my senior citizen card. It's a pretty nice place. I'm right across from the beach here in the ocean pond campground. They have showers here. One of them's broken. It appears you don't have to pay extra to hang your clothes. Somebody's drying their towels here. I don't know why. Bear-proof dumpsters. Somebody left their socks here. Walk around here. There's the beach. Bathroom. That's a baby changing table. And all the regular things.
Yeah. I was about to take one off of your...
She looks like one of those fur babies.
Yeah. She was pretty.
Come on, over here.
Oh.
I want to hurt you, buddy. Maybe an endangered species. Some kind of, I thought it would be soft, but I pick it up and it's all hard. Focus, focus, there we go, look. It's brittle. It's pretty though. We're back here in one of the bike walking trails right behind the Ocean Pond Camp. Linda's trying out her electric bike on the trails today. It's kicking my butt actually. I'm just got a regular bike. Okay, I came from the left there in that mud hole, the orange and blue stripes. I've had to get off and walk it around some mud holes, but not too bad. Weave through a few trees. Not a cloud in the sky. You can see something's been pecking away at it or eating away at it. Don't know what. Nothing on it right now that I can see. Yeah, I'm waiting here for a few minutes and see if a woodpecker comes up in that dead tree above my bike. I can see where they pecked all over it. This trail ends right here. There's a turnaround where people have been actually driving their four-wheelers in here. Hard hat. Rifle shells. Head got torn off. Hard hat. Been here a long time. It's a little wet. Mr. Lizard. Well, I'm going to go head back and grab some lunch. As you can see, there's a big chain on there with actually 2 padlocks on it. You're not getting through here with a car or anything unless you've got the key. So if I remember right, it's not very far down there to my camp, the back side of it. I rode down here once. I'm pretty sure this is the same gate. Seems odd, but the roads are so curvy in here through the swamps. You can really get turned around. So I'm almost at camp now. About 10 miles from Osceola Ocean Pond Campground is Lake City. Here in Lake City there's this alligator lake, and I'm just going to check it out. Hopefully you can see it better than my camera says you can. There we go. Might give you a little bit of an idea where we're at. Go down a little ways. See that there's whatever the hell that's called. There's this is where we're at, and over here is where we're staying. So you can see it's pretty close. Walk out. Obviously it's not very deep because it said there used to be farmed until they put it back into a lake, so it's more of a swamp kind of type thing. The birds look like they like it. You can see it's a pretty long pier. It's still shallow, so it's just a little tiny shallow lake. The birds seem to love it. A whole bunch of birds over there. Weather here today is about 60 degrees. The sun just having a hard time coming out the last couple of days. But it's supposed to get warmer now again. This glass is really yellowed, but you see here, there's the lake. It says here periodically it drains into a sinkhole, basically disappears. There must be a few fish in here. They got tagged bass in it. They want you to cut the tags and call a number. I'm not sure if any indication, but it looks like these might be cypress trees. Seems like they grow up from the roots. Well, we spent 6 nice days at Ocean Pond, but now we're headed out to another campground up in Georgia. So come back and see where we end up. Thanks for watching. See you later.